All right, in this lecture, we're going to see how to build a simple and easy chat interface that has an AI agent and that is connected to our Gmail inbox. So let's go and do that. So let's really gonna build this exact same thing, but from scratch. So we're gonna start everything from scratch. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna create like a new workflow by clicking this button. And I will add a step. This will be a chat trigger. This means like whenever I chat with this AI agent or this workflow, it's going to get triggered. Right now, if I type hi, you'll see it got triggered. We saw this check mark, but nothing happened because the workflow does not have anything. And this little one item means that the rest of the execution of the workflow is going to happen only one time. Okay, what can we do next? Let's add an AI agent node. It's a very popular node in N8N. Once we add that, you will see that the I that we wrote is coming as an input to this workflow. You can change the way you can see the workflow in these three different ways. You can see that data coming from the previous node as a table, or as a schema, or as a JSON. It's inevitable. You're going to need to learn JSON. But let's go with schema. It's easier. So we have hi. And if you click anywhere in these empty spaces, you can get out of this window, or you can click on this back to canvas. Now I'm here. If I type something, it doesn't work. It gives me an error because the settings of this workflow is not done. An AI agent will need at least these three components. An LLM, so that we bring the intelligence into this AI agent. A memory, so that it can remember things over time, over chat or over interactions with this AI agent. And some tools, like our Gmail inbox. So let's start from adding a model to this AI agent. I'm going to go with OpenAI chat model. I already have an account set up here, but the way you can add a new account is create new credentials. You get your API key from OpenAI, just paste it there, and then when you click on save, you should see a green bar appear here. Since I have it, I'm going to close, use the existing one. It's okay to use ChatGPT-4.1 mini, but you can choose other ChatGPT models from this list. All right, so we have got ourselves our ChatGPT integration with this AI agent. So I recommend always pressing Command S to save it, or press this button to save it, so that your workflows are saved. If you're really worried that you're going to lose your workflow, go to this three dots, download the JSON of that workflow on your computer. But the cloud version is really good. It's gonna stay there. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna say hi. Did you see what happened? I got this little message saying, "How can I assist you today?" That's actually a response coming from OpenAI, not from N8N. So what happened in this moment is that we created a little chat window. In that chat window, obviously on n8n.io, send a request, a kind of a special kind of a request. This request is called an API call, application programming interface. And then there was a response coming back to us. What was in the API call? We said hi. And what was in the response? We got, "Hi, how can I assist you today?" So literally this round trip that happened, it's going to take programmers, like I was a programmer for a long time. It used to take me a lot of time to build this. And we just did it in a couple of clicks. All right, with that, let's go to the memory. What's a memory in an AI agent node?